We're starting with Samantha. That one that's trying to hurt herself. And Cassie, the one that's fixing her hair.
Wait, don't you want to see my muscles?
It's perfect, huh? Look at her skinny arms.
Oh, ow.
She's not doing anything. Oh, look at my baby too. I know, she's awesome. And I want to take this to my boyfriend, Isaac.
Okay, Olivia.
Oh yeah, and here's Cassie and Samantha. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Go, baby, go, go, go.
How do you like it?
And my dog got pissed.
Come on, go. Okay.
I know this is a best friend fight, so.
Don't hold it like that.
I know it's a best friend fight.
Now, hurry up.
Rumble! Okay. Rumble.
Easier.
This is the gayest fight ever.
Wait, I gotta go pee.
Come on!
Just say, buddy. She punched my dog. Look at her, she's just fighting. My stomach hurts.
Oh, what's my baby?
You missed the good part. Look at her.
We have ballerinas in the class. Baby, go get him! Get on the floor! You guys have to do something.
What, y'all? She's doing
Shh!
Go!
Why?
Go! Olivia, you're recording.
Hello?
I'm gonna turn off the phone.
Okay, Daddy. Baby?
She's right here.
Oh, you can hear us? Oh, it's only Cassie and Samantha that
Blame it on Samantha. She's the one going.
You too.
Okay, Daddy.
You're like going.
Yeah, but you're the one yelling.
No, she's up on the couch.
Where's your brother?
Okay.
Say sorry.
Sorry.
Nice.